Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to align a column of numbers by decimal point in Excel. Sometimes we need to align the numbers by decimal point in a column in the worksheet to make the numbers more neatly and beautifully. In Excel, we can align the column of numbers by decimal point by using the format cells function. In this tutorial you will get the details. First, select your numbers list which you want to align by a decimal point. Then right click and choose format cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, under the Number tab, click Custom, and in the Type box, type 0.4 times question mark. The question mark stands for the number of your decimal digits. It depends on your largest decimal digits. If the highest decimal place is 5, you just need to enter 5 question marks as you need. Then click the OK button to close the dialog. The numbers in the selected cells will line up on the decimal point for left, center, and right alignment. Note that if your data contains the whole numbers, they will be added a dot mark after the whole number. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.